the Royal Pahang Polo Club in Pekan. So lovely the view. Royal Pahang Polo Club, Pekan, Pahang, Malaysia. Very well maintained. The green is very cooling to the eyes. This is Pekan, the royal town of His Majesty the Sultan of Pahang. This Royal Pahang Polo Club. Pekan is actually a very beautiful town. Must make it a point to come and visit this town. There are hotels here. Come to Pekan, Pahang, Darul Makmur, West Malaysia to see the lovely landscape. The landscape is maintained so well. The greenery is there. This is Pahang, Royal Pahang Polo Club. It's so cooling to be here. The landscape, the greenery and whatnot, very, very well maintained. Subscribe our videos. We bring lovely things to you all. Pekan, Pahang, Darul Makmur, West Malaysia. Pekan is a township where history and the royal feeling blends, and it's also a nice feeling that the architecture of old buildings are still available here, and adding color and spice are the trees that reminds us of this very, very, very well maintained royal presence in Pahang. Pahang boasts its royal heritage, so well maintained. Welcome to Pahang, Darul Makmur, West Malaysia. This is Pekan, and this is the Royal Pahang Polo Club. Dolak Tuanku. Thank you.